Okay, so right now let me talk about how you can make a video of sharing your screen on the iPhone. So let's get started. And if this is your first time being here on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming videos and tutorials like this. So if you want to, record what's going on your screen, there is actually a built-in method to do it. I can just swipe it down from the top right corner and I can see the screen recording right away. And if you do not see it, then make sure you go to the edit mode and tap the plus button and add a control. And from the list of all of the available ones, just make sure to look up the screen recording. It should most definitely be part of your iPhone. Obviously, if you have like a very old one with like iOS 12 or something, it may not work, but obviously on the latest devices and the software versions, it will most definitely be an option. So that's what you can do in order to like start the recording. So you tap it, right? Then the countdown is going to begin and you can do whatever you want and it will all be captured in your like recording. When you hit done, like when you click the stop button, everything will be saved in your gallery as a video. So that's how you can capture whatever is going on the screen. Now, if you would like to share that, obviously it's a video saved, so you can share it through any means available to you. But obviously there are also places like video calls and things like Zoom or Microsoft Teams or whatever, and those apps also feature their own way to share screen. So in those cases, when you are on a video call, you can as well just tap the share icon and click on share the screen, which will use a similar technology or method, but it will, instead of saving that video, it will like try to like broadcast the recordings to other people which you're connected to through the call. So I hope it makes sense. That's what I wanted to show you and to talk about in this video. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.